The heck? Got a fish. Oh, geez. What the? Whoa. What's going on? I just made a random cast over there. Okay. I made a completely random cast. And I just hooked into something really big. Like very big. Stay away from the anchor. Oh, it's a buffalo. Okay. Big buffalo. Oh yeah, he's not done, that's for sure. I'm on my rod to break. What the heck? Just made a very random cast. I snagged into a buffalo. It's a pretty buffalo too. Oh my god, he's a freaking fighter. They're good eating, but I don't feel like keeping any. Not today at least. He's going under the boat. Come back out, buddy. It's a good sign that they're here. Oh yeah. Yeah, it's a big fish. They sure don't give up. They don't give up at all for anybody. It's gonna be a minute. Sheesh. My boy's not coming out. It's a pretty buffalo. Alright, and he's in the net. What a big freaking... Oh, he's pretty heavy too, actually. Gosh. Let's get the camera up first. I'm in the ninja mode. But, caught a real big buffalo. Hold on. Geez, relax. Chill. I don't want to hurt it because it's such a pretty fish. There you go. That is a really cool and clean buffalo. They're a cool fish to fight. You can keep them if you want to, but you don't have to. But it is a cool fish. So we're gonna go ahead and let him go. Look at the color on that thing. I just love how it looks. It looks amazing. So yeah. See you, buddy. Oh yeah.